Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Abdul Muiz bin Muhammad Nasir. Today I will present about the exercise 2, which is silicon controller rectifier SCR power switch. So in this video I will present about the activity 1 for the basic operation. So in this video, in this lab, I need to design this circuit, which SCR power switch with DC input circuit in the multi-zone, and check the status or condition of this lamp for after in in the different condition with between switch 1 and switch G. So this is the circuit that I had done to design, and the output of the result in this, so this on the first condition, when both switch 1 and switch G turn off, the status of lamp will also turn off because of there was no current flow in the circuit. And then the next, for the second condition, when switch 1 turn on and switch G turn off, they also have no current on this gate terminal, so the status output of the lamp is still turned off. And the third condition, when the switch 1 and switch G turn on, the both switch turn on, the lamp will also turn on because they have current flow with the circuit. And then after that, when the switch G turn off back, the status of the lamp still turn on because of the current will still flow in the gate terminal here at the diode here, which is switch 2 N1595. And after that, for the lastly, for when the switch 1 turn off and switch G turn off back, there was no current flow and the lamp will turn off. Alright, nice. I will continue with the show the three condition of switch here: switch 1, switch 2, and switch G, and the status of this lamp. So for the first condition is when the three switch is turned off, switch 1 and switch 2 and switch G turn off, the light bulb also turn off. And next, when the switch 1 turn on and switch 2 and switch G turn off, the the bulb also turned off due to there was no current flow here. After that, when we adjust the switch 1 turn on and switch 2 turn on, switch G turn off, the bulb will open the light because of they will have no we have current flow here at this diode. After that, when we adjust switch 1 turn on, switch 2 turn on, and switch G turn off, then we have the output. The bulb will turn on to turn off the light because of the current will flow due at the switch 2. Because of the function of switch 2, they will bypass in with this diode, this diode here. So the current will flow at the switch 2. And for the lastly, the three condition, when switch 1 turn off and switch 2 turn off and switch G turn off, the bulb also will turn off here. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Amir Aiman bin Rozalani and my metric number is AE1844 from group F1-1. Okay, so today I would like to present about our circuit for activity 2, where the activity 2 is SCR or thyristor power switch with DC input. So let's we continue to the equipment list of activity 2. Okay, so the first one we have DC input, DC voltage for 12 volt, and the next one we have two switch to on and off the circuit, and after that we have potentiometer where the value of the potentiometer is 10 k ohm, and after that we have multimeter to record the value of IA or I out, and we have another resistor 2. The value of resistor 2 is 4.7 k ohm, and this we have lamp for indicator for activity 2, and the last one we have uh, SCR. The model we use is 2N1595, and this multimeter to record the value of VAK or V output, and ground for uh, complete the circuit. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Wafi Takwidi Byungsun, and today I would like to present this activity 3 phase control for this uh, particular experiment, which is for the SSS2. Okay, for the time being, I have construct the circuit in this multisim. So I will just straight away to the instruction, which is the delay angle. So delay angle is, I will verify to 0% first. So we will play. So the bug is conducted in light, so meaning it's successful. Then we go open the multimeter of ampere and voltmeter. So here we play this waveform. Okay, we can see the waveform of 0 percentage of the verifier resistor. So we can see that this is the waveform of the v v v v v input, which is v source, and this is the waveform of v output. Okay, then we will go to the next one. Just now I explained about the minimum of the fire angle, and then I will go to the midpoint, which is I will state at 45%. So we played it, and this is the waveform indicated of the 45% of the midpoint of the angle, firing angle, and this is the value of the current and voltmeter, as you can see in this screen. And then I will go straight away for the maximum, which is 50, because the 50 is the last is the last value that we can see. The V output can be 0, the 50. Okay, as you can see, like usual, this is the ampere, and this is voltage. That's all from me. Thank you.